Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tito Spidey. Before the COVID-19 lockdown in Metro Manila, I sold my GoPro Max 360 and replaced it with GoPro Hero 8. Kaya lang hindi ko siya na-set up kasi alam mo yung common issue or popular issue sa GoPro Hero 8, yung ano niya, yung lens ay walang cover, and pag masira mo siya, your GoPro Hero 8 becomes a disposable action camera. But in this episode, I'm going to show you my ultimate GoPro Hero 8 vlogging setup. That's coming right up. Alright, so let's try to record this. The new vlog setup, and hopefully moto vlogging setup also. Medyo naging heavyweight yung ano natin, yung moto vlogging setup because of the Ulanzi G8 case, kasi ano siya, parang metal. Mas talagang naging naging gigantic yung GoPro natin, and dagdag mo pa yung space sa baba na lalagyan ng external microphone adapter. But nonetheless, it's a better solution for now kasi malalagyan ng protection yung GoPro, and yung yung battery, what do you call this, the battery slot. Okay, so may ano na, may lalagyan na tayo diretso. Hindi na natin kailangang tanggalin yung buong battery door, no? So yun na. Isa na lang ang kailangan natin, yung protection para sa sa lens ng GoPro Hero 8 kasi walang replacement ito. Pag nabasag yan, basag na. So the Ulanzi G8 has a 52mm filter mount. So ang bibili na lang natin, kulang dito sa vlogging setup natin, is the 52mm filter. GoPro, stop recording. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Tito Spidey and ito na ngayon yung bagong vlog setup natin, and you are using the Ulanzi G8 case and the microphone adapter by GoPro and Boya external mic. This is the WM1 Boya mic. That's it. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something in this ultimate GoPro vlogging setup that I have created. Tandaan nyo lang na pag bumili ka ng GoPro, yung upgrade each ay hindi humihinto. So, umpisa dyan, papadat mo yung battery door. Susunod dyan yung mic adapter kasi baka gusto mo mag-motovlog. And then yung rig kasi for protection, etc, etc, etc. So as for me, ito lang yung right now, ito lang yung sa tingin ko ultimate na video vlogging setup ko. And then aside from I can use this in my producing videos for my for this channel, I can also mount this in the helmet. But dahil hindi pa tayo nakakapag ride ngayon, ito pa lang muna ang nagawa nating vlogging setup. So I will share with you separate experience kapag pwede na tayong magmotor sa kalsada. Alright, that's it, and that's it for now. And if you're new here, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel, and for the loyal subscribers naman, thank you very much. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Kayo, ano naman ang ultimate vlogging setup niyo kung naka GoPro Hero din kayo? Would you like to share that in the comment section?